Now, I'm not gonna tell you all the nuts and bolts, there are other videos for that. I will tell you instead the 3 best features plus one big single flaw that no one talks about. Let's start with the Dehancer's pros. Number 1, the usage of the grain. It feels like it's embedded into the footage like no others, and better than Film Convert. Number 2, the color head, as it uses a subtractive color process like in analog film and can help you color grade and adjust the blacks and white balance. Number 3, my favorite, tonal contrast. Well, think of the tonal contrast like a smart contrast, different from the S-curve and different from the linear contrast. Now, you can choose among tons of film profiles, each one with their own characteristics. Here is Dehancer's flaw. Many out there will recommend you to use the 2383 print look, which is similar to the one found in DaVinci Resolve film LUTs. However, I can never see how that can make your footage look like film. No matter how many times I tried with the Canon footage, Sony, Fuji, etc., the 2383 seems to be bleaching out the colors. Almost makes it like the bleach-bypass, similar to the look of Saving Private Ryan. I don't get it, and to me this is a flaw, but for many others it might just be what they want. Now, if you wish to try Dehancer, use my coupon MarcelloLife, which will give you a discount in the description below. As with all things, you must learn to use this tool appropriately. Don't just splash it into your footage and think it will make miracles for you. Ensure you got color balance, good exposure, or the algorithm behind Dehancer won't do you justice. And this is also valid with most LUTs out there. This was a sponsored video, but in no way Dehancer told me what to say, and neither did they suggest it. In fact, the very opposite. They encouraged me to say whatever I feel like, and they welcome my constructive feedback. They also did not see this video before I made it public. In addition, if I'm going to make a video about a product, be sure I will provide a distinctive, unique, and original perspective.